video we would be starting with the new topic, that is forces and Newton's laws of motion. So for the forces, there are different types of forces. So first force is the weight force. So whenever there is an object, we say that there is a mg downwards. So now what I am going to do is I am just creating a free body diagram here, because the free body diagram, FBDs, this is also one of the important topic in forces. So we would be learning free body diagram, and we would be knowing all the forces that we would be working with. So first is the weight, then there is a spring force. So if we say that there is some spring attached to this, so there would be, like, this is the mg, we have to say that there is a force of spring, and there will be a normal force that comes into picture when there is a contact. It is called as contact forces. Then there is drag force. So drag force is for the objects when there is some air drag, or suppose this object is moving in this direction, so there will be some air drag. So for the free body diagram, we will say that there is a force and there is a force of air drag. Then there is a buoyant force. Whenever there is some object over here, suppose this object is into water, so this object will have a mg downwards and a force of buoyant force upwards. And then there is another force, that is a frictional force. So this object has here, in between of the table and the block, there is frictional force, and if there is force is on the right side, there will be frictional force on the other. So we will be creating like this. So mg and normal, that would also be applicable here. But right now, like, frictional force is always opposite to the motion of the object. So these types of forces, like the drag force, normal force, frictional force, tension force also. So tension force is when there is some object and there is a string which we pull, or it is hanging. So here also there will be a tension force and there will be energy. So these are all the forces that we would be discussing in this topic. Hope this video has cleared your doubts for the free body diagram. So in the next video, we would be working for the Newton's laws of motion. Thank you for being here.